Today we're going to be heading over to the Dollar Tree. I want to see new back to school items that they have. I also want to see if there's any good like back to school snacks to put into lunches for kids. And I also want to see if we can find some organizers maybe that will help college students in their dorms, maybe some baskets. You know, let's see if there's anything new at the Dollar Tree. Well, first things first, they already have some Halloween items out, which I didn't put on our list of things to do today, but we might come back and check this out because it is just too cute. First things first, at the Dollar Tree, how cute is this? This is like a leopard print. It looks like it is a pencil and pen holder. They have some dinosaur ones. Those are really neat. Oh my gosh, they even have like a little trash can. That's so cute. Looks like they have a lot of things for like your lockers. They've got some magnetic locker mirrors. Those are really good. So it has like a magnet so you can put on there. And they have, this is a desk notepad. Oh, that's kind of neat. It's got the days of the week. So new week, new you. I guess you could put some things here, you know, what you need to do for work and things maybe you need to do at home. There's a magnetic cork frame. Oh, you could like pin your friends up if you wanted to. They have a desktop notepad, a great way to stay organized. They have some magnets. They have a hole punch. They have a compass. Yeah, these were always so hard to find, like when I went to Walmart and stuff. Calculators. They have some sticky notes, and of course all different sizes of these scissors, and these actually look pretty decent. I mean, they'll be great for kids and just having something available. This is a cute little bracelet pin. That looks like fun. Okay, who remembers scented markers when you were a kid? They have them back. I wonder how good they smell. They've got some rulers. Oh, I love this pen with that little poppet. So cute. They have a keychain with, looks like a little notepad. I even found some scented crayons that smell like Mike and Ike. They have lunch boxes and they have backpacks. $5, y'all. And don't forget your hand sanitizer spray with your hook. Attach that to your backpack. They have a lot of cute notepads in all kinds of sizes. Oh, I love this. Great for note taking, writing down your ideas for the day, or even some to-do lists. They have a button closure vinyl file organizer. That is so cute. Look how cute these pocket folders are. And this is vinyl, but it has that leopard print. So I'm guessing that's kind of like the new print right now. Lots of pins, and oh, again, look at this. This leopard is just totally in. They have smiley faces, lots of different pins to choose from, y'all. I don't remember seeing Dollar Tree have this much stuff. Look, they even have a chalkboard that says first day of school. They have lots of highlighters. They have some glue sticks, and of course some crayons. Another pencil holder. They do have an aisle that is all snacks, and this would be great just to come in here and grab a whole bunch of different snacks to put in the lunches. They've got some applesauce. They even have some mixed vegetables. Oh, that's very interesting. Although you couldn't really warm it up, but that definitely could be handy. They have some honey. They've got a little small oval container. They've got raisins here, so you get like 9 boxes for $1.25. And of course they have some crackers. Oh, they even have small little beef jerkies. This actually has 7 grams of protein. If you're a peanut butter and jelly fan, they have some strawberry preserves. They have this nut-tastic, so that's kind of like the knockoff brand for Nutella. They've got some raspberry preserves. That looks so good. I would put that over some cream cheese, actually. Okay, we're just going to take a quick look at some of the cute little fall stuff that they have. Look at the mushrooms, autumn leaves, and pumpkin. Please, a little bit of a decorative thing. Now, they do have these, so I guess you could do like a little crafting project with your kids or something, or even yourself. And it looks like you can just paint these. These are just like wooden little decorative things, and they have a fall leaves as well. They've got some decorative picks. I love this. These are cute. You could put inside of you could put this inside of a planter if you wanted to. And they have some other, oh, these are really cute. Oh my gosh, I love these natural pumpkin picks. those are really cute. And they have, oh, they even have a moss colored one. I think people are going through these really fast. Oh, I love this. Might have to get me some of these. If you're into crafting, they have a lot of like fall fabrics right here. These are really cute. They've got some mushrooms, some foxes, and looks like a little truck maybe, or some gnomes. Very cute. And over in the seasonal section, I am seeing these chair covers. So that is a chair cover for $1.25, not bad. And it's a little scarecrow. Let's see if they have any other decorative things. No, they look like they're all scarecrows, but maybe just different colors. So they've got like some with the checkered. Oh yeah, that one is a little different. Yeah, they are different. So more Halloweenish and more like a fall type color scheme. And they do have some mini decorative string lights. These are 20 count, and it does, let's see, are these, do you have to plug these in? Doesn't really say, unless I'm just not seeing it. And they have these LED spiders. You get 10 lights. It's for indoor use, it says. And those are definitely battery operated, which I do like those. Those are fun to just put up, you know, either on your windowsill or around your plants. They have pumpkins. They have a ghost, and they also have what, little bats. They have some LED lanterns. These are really cute. I can't believe this is only $1.25 and it lights up. Wow, that is a steal. Go grab them now. They have an LED shadow projector. What the heck is this? Oh, okay, so I'm seeing this. It has pumpkins it'll project. It's got some bats and pumpkins. I think that's kind of cool. They definitely got all of the Halloween florals in, and I have to say they are not bad quality. I usually don't care for the quality of Dollar Tree, but these are pretty good this year. And I definitely love all of the fall ones that they have. So they have the Halloween and they also have the fall. They have some garden stakes. These are pumpkin garden stakes, and they have some more garland. Look how cute this is. I am loving this. You can totally decorate your porch. Just so cheap. And it's just going to be like so festive. I am so ready for the fall. It is absolutely my favorite time of the year. Look how cute this tabletop decor is. I am loving it. They have some smaller ones, pumpkin spice and cozy nights. So cute. Look at the hedgehog. Isn't that so cute? I like that. Okay, this is too scary for me. I don't like that. We're over in the organization aisle, and all of these things will work really good for like college students. And a lot of their plastic containers have lids on them, so this would be great. And they could store them maybe under their bed or in some cubicle little cubes if they have that. This one is really a great size, and I absolutely love the color right there. But they do just have some basic, you know, neutrals, and you can pretty much find whatever size that you need. These are really nice. I am loving that. Let's see if there's anything new here. I'm not seeing anything new that I haven't seen before. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you out to see some new back to school items at the Dollar Tree. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!